Type CentOS download on Chrome search bar. Click first search result centos.org/download. Download version 9 or 10, whatever you want. Honestly, there is no differences in installation process in version 9 and 10. I am downloading version 9. Click any of the ISO image as per your system requirement. My hardware is 64-bit, so I am clicking on that. Now it's downloading. Open VMware Workstation, go to the Home menu and click on Create New Virtual Machine, or go to the File menu and select Create New Virtual Machine. Create New Virtual Machine prompt will open. It's easy to go with typical mode. It's also recommended for beginner. Click on Next. Browse the ISO file and click Next. Fill the form, full name, username and password, and click Next. Type machine name. As per your choice, give any name. This name will appear on VMware name section. Location, where your VMware file should be saved. I always prefer not using C drive because this drive is crucial for Windows, and click Next. Uncheck power on this virtual machine after creation. It's helpful when you want to customize hardware before power on. Click Finish. Click on Edit Virtual Machine Setting. I am giving a lot of resources so that the installation process can be faster. I am not modifying network settings. You can if necessary. This channel have a playlist where I discuss VMware networking, so you can see. Click OK. Power on the virtual machine. Wait a few moments and you will get a language page. I am selecting English language. Installation destination is nothing about selecting disks. We are not going to do custom partition, so no need to worry. Only selecting the default on. CentOS will take care of all disk partitioning. I recommended this setting for beginners. Go to software selection. Listen carefully, here is the trick. There is server with GUI and minimal installation option. For minimal installation, select minimal installation. It's only give you a core functionality. That's why this will be a lightweight image. For full installation, go server with GUI. This give you GUI functionality with all of settings. I am going with full installation by selecting server with GUI. There are also available additional software installation option. I am not going with selecting any one. Give root user's password and additional user name and password. Select date and time setting. After everything completed, reboot system. Yeah, now our installation is done.